Let's prepare the best, soft, very delicious Bofrot or dry puff puff, anyhow you will call this. This was very easy to put together. My name is Lena and welcome to my kitchen. If today is the first time here, please do not make it the last time. Trust me, you will love it here. So subscribe or follow for more videos. It is absolutely free. Let's start with today's activity. In my mixing bowl, I have my 2 cups of milk plus a tablespoon extra. Okay, so 2 cups of milk plus 1 tablespoon of milk. Now you can use any milk of choice, but this is soy milk, okay, or soya milk, anyhow you will call this. I took a tablespoon of sugar from the half cup to the milk. So in all, with this recipe, we are going to use half cup of sugar. And I've added a tablespoon of yeast to the milk. I'll mix it very well, place it in a warm place for 5 to 10 minutes and I will get back to you. Now this is my all-purpose flour. I've added the rest of the sugar we took a tablespoon from, okay, and the all-purpose flour is 4.5 cups. 4.5 cups. I will then go ahead and add my 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Please be very mindful of the salt, okay, especially if you are using salted butter, okay, or margarine, because margarine contains salt. I've added a teaspoon of nutmeg. I'll just go ahead and then mix everything until it becomes uniform. So I always tell you that we don't like sugar in this house, so anything that I prepare here, you make sure you double or you increase the quantity of sugar I use. But this one, please do not increase it, okay? I did it just like the way you will get it on the roadside because I am actually making it for someone. Now after mixing everything, that is after 10 minutes, I brought the things we placed in the warm place, and now I've added my dry ingredients to it. I'll go ahead and then mix everything perfect, and then we are good to go. We just want to achieve that dough, okay? I've added a tablespoon of vanilla. Mix it very well. There are some people who do not like egg, okay? This recipe is for you, but should you want to add egg to it, if you want to add 1 egg, you make sure you stay away from the extra a tablespoon of milk we added. You will see it as hard on the screen, but trust me, it is not hard, okay? We have some moist in there, like there is liquid in there. If you are a baker, you know what I'm talking about. We have mixed it all right. You can see it looks like the liquid was smaller than the flour, but trust me, there is some moist in there. So we are going to mix it very well till it becomes uniform, or we achieve that dough we are looking for. I didn't want to take it off and go and do it behind the scene because someone may say I added liquid to it, but no. So that is why I am doing everything here for you to see that I did not add any liquid to it. But there is some moist there that will make everything come together perfect. If today is the first time here, thank you once again. And to my returning subscribers and followers, thank you for always watching my videos. I don't take it for granted. With the all-purpose flour we are using here, you can go ahead and use soft flour or bread flour if that is what you want, okay? You can use your wheat flour as well. Now you can see we have gotten that perfect dough we are looking for, but it is hard, so we are going to knead the dough, and that is the margarine I am using. I don't remember the last time I used margarine, but today I decided to use the margarine. If you are using the same margarine, please be very mindful of the salt, okay, because it is very salty. Now knead the dough very well. If you have food processor, you can go ahead and use that. I have it, but I am used to this, So I just want to use my hand to do it. And moreover, I know people may say, I don't have food processor, so how do you want us to do it? So I just want all of us to do it this way. Okay, so knead it very well so it becomes soft. Hit it on the working surface, and that also works perfectly. Now our dough is becoming soft. Please, we are on all social media platforms at Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes. You can see it is not smooth. Okay, it means our dough is not ready. So keep on kneading it till it becomes soft, just like this. Perfect. We are just going to keep this in a warm place for just 30 minutes, and after 30 minutes, oh my goodness, it has doubled in size or increased in size. Now I'm just going to cut them into the sizes that I want and then mold it perfectly before we start frying. Are you still with me? If yes, thank you so much. You can see how thick the dough looks, and you can see how beautiful it looks. Okay, that tells you that we are going to get that perfect Bofrot. Now mold it like this and then play around it like how you are seeing on the screen. If you want short detailed recipes, please follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and then our YouTube shorts. Trust me, you will love it. Just like this. See, perfect. It is so easy to do and you will love it. Okay, yes, very, very easy to do. I'm going to repeat it again so that you will get it. I know everyone is intelligent here, so you are going to get it. You see, so simple. Now this is the last one, okay, that I am showing you. We are just going to put this in a tray, okay, and I just want to cut it or make some sign there like cross, okay, so that when we are frying it, it can look more beautiful, because I know it is going to be very beautiful. It has stayed at one place for an hour and it has increased in size, so we'll go ahead and then fry it nicely. Just look at that, so beautiful, and oh my goodness, the outcome was perfect and delicious. You know, I started frying this on Tuesday, and the next week, Wednesday, that was 13th November, I fried another one for my husband to send to his place. So we ate Bofrot for about a week. Oh yes, because the family really enjoyed it. Okay, we had the family around, some of the family around, so they really enjoyed it. Now when it is in the oil, you flip it to the other side when you think the other side is brown. Okay, you make sure the fire is not too high and it is not too low, else it will absorb the oil, and when it is high, it is going to burn and then the inside will not cook perfect. Now our Bofrot is ready. I'll remove it from the oil, place it on my paper towel, and then we allow the oil to drain. We are not going to be able to drain all the oil, but at least we can be able to drain some. And then after I was done with everything, let me show you how it looks. It was so nice. Ladies and gentlemen, I introduced to you your Bofrot. Perfect. And it was so nice, just like the one we sell on the roadside. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoy watching this video, please do not forget to share to others. Like the video, leave me your comment in the comment section. So this one was the one my husband sent to his place, and I couldn't open one for you to see, but you can see the outside is crispy and the inside wasn't fluffy but was very chewy, trying, and oh my goodness, just like the one we sell on the roadside. See you in the next one, and please do not forget to share to others. Bye bye.